Here you have my Yamaha YFM 80/Badger quad. She's got a little bit of an issue. When you're under load, she blue smokes. I don't think there's much oil left in it, but it's got some proper blow by. It does blue smoke a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to take apart the engine and see what's going on with it and see whether we can get away with just replacing the piston and rings, or it might need a piston and barrel. It might need a barrel as well. So we'll take it apart and see what's going on. I had a problem taking off the timing wheel cover off of this Badger 80. What you want to do is you want to get some of these like really strong pliers. I don't know, I've actually forgotten the name of it, guys. These really useful tools. Now I can't actually undo it, but you want to get yourself one of these. They're very useful. That's what I used to undo it, and it managed to come undone. It actually worked. It's obviously not been undone in ages, but yeah, you want to get yourself one of these, tying it onto the head of the screw as tight as you can, and just let it rip. There's definitely no turning back now. If you turn back at this point, you're an idiot, if it's blue smoking. So I've put a zip tie around here, so that's not really going to go anywhere. This cylinder head, I don't know if I'm missing, oh yeah, I'm an idiot. I'm missing bolts and the exhaust is still attached. Ignore me. Gonna get the exhaust undone, and the bottom bolts undone, and the head should come out. Currently draining the oil. Sump bolt right there. Looks pretty good. Well, the good news is it has a lot of oil in it, as you can see. That's not bad at all, really, if you think about it. At least there's oil. Right, we're just going to wait for that to drain. And then the next step is to undo the exhaust. Well, I'll probably do the exhaust while it's undoing, so let's get that done. So, the piston, barrel and head is off. I didn't really film me taking it off because it's sort of a two-hand job. But as you can see, we've got a little timing sprocket here. Zip tied in one position so you can't lose what timing you're on, which is awesome. Yeah, I also can't see where. Oh, hello! I think I found a little arrow. Hang on. Is that an arrow? Is that an arrow right there? I'm not sure. T. If you put on it. T. I think that is the top dead center arrow right there. Well, them ones there. I don't know. But yeah. I'm sure putting the engine back together is easier than the pit bike because I haven't actually undone the timing, so I should be able to plop it all back together and it should be good. Here is our, I think this is our head gasket. Looks like our head gasket. Min. I don't know where our base gasket is. Oh no, it's still on there. Yeah, the base gasket's still on there. That's going to need taking off with the screwdriver, but there's our head gasket. It doesn't look too bad, but it's obviously going to get a new one. Yeah, that's the head, that's the thingy. Here we've got the bore. As you can see, the damage isn't that bad, really. I just think the rings are gone because age and wear and worn. But to be fair, that doesn't look too bad. No physical horrible scoring, probably just the average age piston. And here's the piston itself. So it's pretty, you know, oily and schmooey, but it doesn't look all the worst. Yeah, it's an OEM Yamaha one, as you can see. So an OEM Yamaha one's probably going to be a lot of money to find. But there's an aftermarket engine pigeon. There's an aftermarket kit that's not too much money. It's about 30 quid, which comes with a new bore, piston, gaskets. It even comes with an air filter, which I actually need, so that's cool. But I think I'll buy the kit. I'm not sure. Here's the head. I had to cut this video in because I forgot to include the head. But yeah, that's the head. As you can see, lots of carbon stuff in there. That'll get clean with some petrol and a toothbrush. And then it should be good to go back in. Yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching this video on sort of dismantling the Badger. I know I didn't actually do it properly, but I sort of cut the video. But yeah, that's dismantling the Badger. I'll probably make a video putting it back together. I also have a video of me dismantling my Demon 140, which is very similar. I'd say the main differences are the timing gear. That's pretty different. And this one has chain rollers, like plastic ones, as you can see here. Chain rollers, which is pretty neat, I guess. Don't know how hard they are to find, but yeah, that's the Badger in bits at the moment. Thanks for watching this video.